Hello guys, and welcome to my channel. An AI-generated piece of art is one that was created by an artificial intelligence. AI may be trained on an image dataset, which provides the AI machine with a large amount of data from which to create unique designs. Therefore, the larger the image dataset the AI is trained on, the higher the quality of the results. AI-generated art is becoming increasingly popular. Artificial intelligence creates this type of art, which can range from paintings, to 3D renders, to realistic photography. In today's video, I'll show you some of the coolest AI tools for creating amazing print-on-demand designs that you can sell online quickly and affordably. These tools will completely transform the way you create products for your print-on-demand business. You will be able to create incredible designs that you would not be able to create otherwise unless you spent a fortune hiring artists to create those graphic designs for you. Using these AI tools, you will be able to create designs for almost any product you can think of, from t-shirts to wallpaper, and mugs. So without further ado, in this video, I'll show you some of the best tools for creating those amazing AI art pieces that you see floating around the internet. Midjourney's version 4 update appears to be the best AI tool recently. As you can see from these examples, the quality is extremely high, and it appears to be even better than OpenAI's DALL-E 2. So, if you want to use this tool, keep in mind that it is a paid tool that costs $30 per month, but if you want a tool with high-quality designs to use for print-on-demand, this is the best option for the time being. Stable Diffusion is also an excellent tool for creating AI art, and the best part is that it is available for free on some websites. If you decide to use Stable Diffusion for your business, the main difference between it and Midjourney is that you will need to work very hard on your prompts to produce good and coherent results. With Midjourney, you might get good results by using a prompt like cute animal character, but with Stable Diffusion, you'd need to use more prompt modifiers and keywords to get good results. But don't worry, because many websites allow you to search for art pieces and see which prompt was used to create them using Stable Diffusion. This can assist you in finding great prompts to use as is, or you can use those prompts to copy the style you want to use on your designs. Many websites allow you to use Stable Diffusion for free at the time of this video's creation, but we never know when that will change, so I'll leave a link to a bunch of them in the description box below so you can try them all, and if one of them changes or removes the free access, you'll still have other websites to use for free. The next tool is Creative Fabrica's Spark, which is an AI art machine that generates designs for you to use in print-on-demand products. So here are a couple of examples of generations I've done in the past. I made these Christmas and Thanksgiving designs, as well as some tests in which I tested some demon logo designs. I believe this would work well on a print-on-demand site such as Etsy, Amazon Merch, eBay, and so on. The good news is that this tool is currently free to use, so you should start using it and creating designs before they change it to a subscription model. You can also search for what other people are creating with Spark and even copy their prompts. Now that you have these tools, before you start generating AI art, you should familiarize yourself with the concept of prompt engineering. It's one thing to make good AI art that you can sell online, it's quite another to be able to make very unique AI art that no one would be able to copy if they didn't know how to craft prompts. The good news is that learning how to craft prompts is not difficult because there are websites that allow you to search for art made by other users. So, instead of simply copying the prompts, try to understand what each keyword means and test those keywords on your prompts to see what effect they have. This way, you will be able to learn a lot of things while also becoming a prompt master, allowing you to create any design style you want. In today's video, we explored some of the tools for generating AI art for your print-on-demand business. There are other tools that you can use locally, such as image-to-image or web UI for Stable Diffusion, so if you enjoy AI art and want to see more videos about AI art in the future, leave a comment below and tell me what you want to see next. If you enjoyed watching this video, Please leave a like and, if you're new here, hit the subscribe button. I'll catch you in the next video. Thanks for watching.